Billion-dollar Convos. Let's go. It's your boy Karl Wolf. We're here, shutting it down. Your boy Karl Wolf, man. Africa, #1. Let's go. I connect with the crowd. It's everything I do. I love. Tonight was amazing. Toronto. They come out. They show up. It was beautiful. I started a new label called 4am Vibes Records. I'm the president, CEO of the company, and I'm looking for 4 more artists this year. But Danny Doucette, incredible. She's got to be like, forget Dua Lipa. Be yourself. Be good to people. Always be true, man. Fuck the haters. Don't let bullies bully, and be good to everybody. That's it. Be positive.